Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some happy mail. This is from Simply Said Life. I bought a couple sticker kits from them and I did open them up because I was again shopping on her website and I wanted to make sure I didn't order the same thing. So let's take a look at these. First thing I got was some of these bow. I don't know if these are headers or dividers. And then these are like more bow headers. And then this kit, here I have my receipt here, is called Hello Fall. And so we've got this sheet with the checklists. My dogs are chomping away on their bones in the background. I'm sorry if you can hear that. Little dividers, like quarter boxes, cute. And then full box stickers, habit trackers. Look how cute those are. I love the cottages. Very cute. More full boxes, little icons, little tiles here. Just a whole bunch of little icons on this one. How cute is that? You can see the gold foil on there. It's just beautiful. These are just beautiful. We got some headers. It's these bows and days of the week. Again, just beautiful. More boxes. Lovely. Just lovely. And then one more. Bullet points. We've got like meal planning, shopping. I think that's cleaning. This would be a beauty one, I'm guessing. Reading, to-do, shopping, dining out, or meal planning. Cute. I like these. These are like little fox sticker slippers. Like bunny slippers, only foxes. Cute. Okay, and then the other one I got is called Gardens. I have a garden, so you can see the gold foil on there. It's pretty. Quarter boxes or dividers, whatever you want to use them for. And then full box stickers with some habit trackers. Just lovely. These are just lovely. Look at this one. They're all just lovely. There's a lot of gold foil on this one. Little icons and weekend banners. These are little dividers here. What does this say? Day off, payday, remember. Very pretty. Here is the headers one. It's upside down. I like these lanterns in here. Very pretty. And then we have quarter box stickers, some bill due stickers, to-dos, more to-dos, bullet points, and little tiny stickers. I suppose these would be quarter box. These would be like third or half box. Very pretty. And some more full box stickers. And then again, meals and shopping and cleaning. Remember tags here. Very pretty. And that is it. That's all I got from Simply Said Life. I think these two kits are just beautiful. So they will help me on my memory keeping journey and journaling journey. So there we go. That is the two kits I got from Simply Said Life. You can find her at simplysaidlife.com. I don't have any, she doesn't know who I am, so I don't have any codes or anything, but I thought you might like to see these beautiful stickers. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you like what you saw here, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning. Bye-bye.